Welcome to YouTube channel Lingareddy Chemistry J8. This, Today we are going to discuss MHCET PYQ questions from solid state. From solid state we are going to discuss. Then question number 1. Silicon. Silicon is a semiconductor, insulator, conductor and none of these. See in the periodic table, in the P block elements, we know that boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, right? In this boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium, and this diagonal shape. Here metalloids are there: carbon, silicon and germanium, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic and antimony, then oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium. See this silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, selenium, tellurium, these are the metalloids. So in these metalloids, silicon and germanium, these are acting as semiconductors. See, metal means generally good conductors, non-metals are insulators. Metalloids act as semiconductors. So answer is A. Answer is A. Right. Next, question number 2. Which of the following unit cell having maximum number of atoms? Maximum number of atoms. See, the first one is BCC. BCC, HCP, FCC, then cubic. See, in the cubic, just it is cube, so it has only one electron, one atom. It has only one atom. All corners में atoms, right? 8 atoms are there, but each one contribution is 1 by 8, that equal to 1. In BCC, same cube is there. Cube and cube के अंदर body के center में एक रहता है. See, from corners compulsory atoms are there, but these atoms contribution 8 into 1 by 8 equal to 1. Inside the cube, one atom is there, that is center में, in the center. Total 2 atoms. Question is asking maximum, right? In HCP, hexagonal closed packing, ऊपर one hexagonal, नीचे one hexagonal, ये center में एक triangle is there. Okay, so here the center 3 atoms. Here all these are one atom. This all together one atom. Here in this center and in this center one atoms are there. इसका contribution है half. So these half plus half equal to 1. Total 6 atoms. So maximum तो HCP होगा. What about FCC? In the FCC, face centered cubic. Okay, corners में one atom, corner equal to one atom. Same this type, but here it is a body centered. Now face centered. Right. So how many faces? 6 faces. Each one half, that equal to 3. This one is 8. 1 by 8 into 8, that equal to 1. Right. So total 4 atoms. Answer is HCP, maximum. But you have to know that total how many atoms are there in each. So BCC 2, HCP 6, FCC 4 and cubic 1. Next, question number 3. Next, question number 3. A metallic element has cubic lattice. Metallic element has cubic lattice, right? Cubic lattice means how many atoms? Atoms. Total atoms in the unit cell equal to 1. Each edge of the unit cell is 2 angstroms. See, this is the edge length A. This equal to 2 angstroms. The density of the metal is 2.5. Density D equal 2.5 gram centimeter cube, gram per centimeter cube. The unit cell in 200 gram of the metal are number of unit cells. Number of unit cells equal mass of metal by single unit cell mass. Single unit cell mass. Okay. Suppose if they are asking for 200 rupees, how many apples you will get it? How many apples you will get it? Question is there. In that case, what you have to know, per apple how much cost? If you know, then easily you can answer it. Suppose one apple cost is 20 rupees, then you will divide with 20, then you will get total 10 apples. So like that, total mass is given. The total mass of the metal is how much? 200 grams is given. Okay, mass of the metal is 200 grams. If you know a single unit cell mass, then you will get the answer. Right. Now the solution. Unit cell mass. Unit cell mass equal to, what is the formula? Generally density equal to mass by volume, means density into volume, D into V. What is the density? Density already given, 2.5. 2.5 into V. What is the volume? Volume means here V equal to A cube. In the cube का volume क्या होता है? A cube. So what is A here? 2 angstroms, but it is centimeter. It is angstrom. So convert into centimeter. 2 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. Right. Put that value here. 2 into 10 power minus 8 whole cube. A cube. Right. Now 2.5 into 8 into 10 power minus 24. 8 3s are. What is this? These many grams. Right. Mass of metal is 200 grams. Just put this value there. 200 upon this, right? Therefore, number of unit cells equal 200 upon, if you multiply this, 2 to the 16, 16 plus 4, 20. 20 into 10 power minus 24, 20 tens are, 21 are, 20 tens are. Right. That means 10 power 25. So your answer is D. Your answer will be D. Third question. Answer D. Understood? Very simple question. Next. Question number 4th. Next. Question number 4. A metal has a FCC lattice. The edge length of the unit cell is 404 picometer. FCC. See, face centered cubic. In the face centered cubic, Z equal to 4. Number of atoms. Number of atoms are 4. Right. Edge length A is given 404 picometer. The density of the metal is 2.72. Density is 2.72 gram per centimeter cube. Molar mass you have to calculate. Avogadro number is given 6.02 into 10 power 23. Right, this is given information. Now, density formula. Density equal to Z into M molecular mass upon volume A cube into Avogadro number. Right. Put those values here. Z means 4. Molecular mass we don't know, calculate. A cube. A is given here 404 picometer. Here is centimeter, it is in the picometer. So convert into centimeter. 404 into 10 power minus 10 centimeter. Right. So in place of A I can write it, this 404 I can write it here 4.04 into 10 power minus 8 also I can write. Okay, let it be 404 into 10 cube 10 power minus 10 whole cube into Avogadro number Na. Okay, right. The next step, 4 into M upon this 404, what can we write? 4.04 into 10 power minus 8 whole cube into Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 power 23. The next step, 4.04 का approximately 4 मान सकते, right? 4 into M upon 4 into 4 into 4 into 10 power minus 24 into 6 10 power 23. 1 4 get cancelled. 10 power minus 24 10 power 23, that equal 10 power minus 1. That means M upon 4 into 4 16 6 okay, 16 96 into 10 power minus 1. What is the D value here? D is the 2.72. The next step, therefore M equal 2.72 into 10 9.6 हो जाएगा, 9.6. You can guess the answer. If I take it 96, it is 0.2 or 9.6 को approximately if I take 10, then it is 2.5. 10 means the answer will be, okay, you do multiply it. If I take 0.9, it is a 27. 27 से almost it is 27 ना, 40 तो नहीं होगा. Got it? See, I can write it 27.2 into 0.96. 0.96 almost equal to 10. 0.9 equal to almost 1. So your answer will be approximately 27. So option C. Option C. Fourth question, option C. Next, question number 5. The number of carbon atoms per unit cell of diamond unit cell is. See, first you have to know that diamond structure. This is the diamond unit cell structure. All 8 corners, 8 atoms are there, that is contributing 1. And face centered is actually face centered. Okay, face centered means already 4 atoms are there. Other than the face centered, extra atoms. See here one tetrahedral, this one, 1, then here 2, then 3, then 4. These 4 atoms extra. Okay, this one 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the face centered. In between 2 face centered, 1. Here 2 face centered, 1. Here 2 face centered, 1. Here 2 face centered, 1. Okay, total how many? Extra 4 atoms are there, that is inside the unit cell. So it is looks like FCC structure. In FCC 4 atoms. In tetrahedral space, in tetrahedral spaces occupied 4 atoms, total 8. Direct question, that is 5th B. Then which among the question number 6th. Question number 6th. Which among the following solids crystallizes as a face centered cubic? It is completely memory based question. 6th question, memory based. You have to see the textbook. And the table is given. So 6th question, what is the solid face centered cubic? Right, face centered cubic here. Platinum is the face centered cubic. Platinum is FCC. The remaining iron, rubidium, uranium. Iron, rubidium and uranium. These all are BCC, body centered cubic. Body centered cubic. It is memory based. Next, question number 7. Select the ferromagnetic material from the following. Ferromagnetic. Ferro means more attractive. More attractive in magnetic field. In magnetic field. Right. Unpaired electrons होना चाहिए. 7th. Dioxygen. Dioxygen O2 is there, that is para. In the chemical bonding we learned chemical bonding chapter in the according to MOT. Okay, right. Question number 7, dioxide. Chromium 4 oxide. Chromium 4 oxide, that is the CrO2. It is a strong magnetic property. It can be ferro means one more hint is we can make a magnet. We can make a magnet, permanent magnet. कभी दिखते iron magnets like okay, permanent magnets we can make. Para क्या होता है? Para means in the magnetic field it will attract. In the magnetic field it will attract. Ferro में once it become a magnet, okay, that magnetic property will be permanent. Okay, right. Chromium dioxide is the answer. Next, benzene. See, if you have a little doubt also, benzene mein it is a covalent compound. Benzene, not at all possible. Then dihydrogen monoxide means water. Okay, water, 100% is wrong. Okay, these both are wrong. You may have doubt in between oxygen and CrO2. Yeah, chromium plus 4. but O2 is already para. O2 is already para, we discussed in the chemical bonding. Okay, so finally answer seventh question B. Right. Next question number 8. Which metal among the following has the highest packing efficiency? Again, memory based this one. That means if you know is it FCC or BCC, then you can tell. So the eighth question, iron already we discussed, that is BCC. Okay, efficiency में FCC is the FCC and CCP. These are more efficient than BCC than simple cubic. Simple cubic SC. Simple cubic. Right. FCC and CCP is the better. Now, which is the FCC or CCP? Eighth question. Iron is the BCC. Tungsten also BCC. Okay. Aluminium is FCC. Aluminium is FCC. Therefore, answer is C. Okay. Right. Next question number 9. Which metal crystallizes in a simple cubic structure? Again, this is also you have to take from the textbook only. Which metal crystallizes in a simple cubic structure? Simple cubic structure. That is A. Polonium. Polonium. Okay. Next question number 10. In face-centered cubic unit cell, what is the volume occupied? See, in the face-centered, number of atoms equal to 4. Okay, each atom is spherical. Therefore, volume equals 4 by 3 pi r cube. That means total atoms occupied volume equal 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. That equals 16 by 3 pi r cube. 16 by 3 pi r cube. 10th question. C is the option. Next. Question number 11. What is the hybridization of carbon atoms in fullerenes? What is the hybridization in the fullerenes? ओके, डायमंड में क्या होता है? डायमंड में तो sp3, डायमंड में sp3. ग्राफाइट sp2, one unpaired electron is there, only 3 bonds forming. Okay, then graphite, fullerene also similar structure, ball type structure is there, okay, it is also forming same sp2. Graphite and fullerenes both are having same sp2. Diamond only sp3. Next, 12th. What is the chief constituent of Pyrex glass? Pyrex glass is actually P block relevant. Okay, solids. पायरेक्स ग्लास में maximum silica is there. Silica, what is the formula of silica? SiO2. Okay, it is direct memory based. Maximum glass is made from silicon. Next, see here silica is there, and next level में Al2O3 alumina and B2O3 boron oxides, aluminum oxides. Okay, but maximum is silica. Next, question number 30. Occupied by water molecule present in 20 centimeter cube of water. 20 centimeter cube, that means 20 ml, right? 20 ml is nothing but 20 grams. Okay, in the 20 ml, 20 gram is there. What is the actual volume occupied by water molecules? We know that water molecules are occupying or forming hydrogen bonds. So intermolecular spaces are there. Intermolecular spaces. Okay, it is tetrahedral geometry in the water. So this is the empty space is there. Of course, maximum space is there. So if you see the options, one is 20 centimeter cube, 100% it won't be. Then 40, wrong. 24.89 decimeter cube, that means liters में, 100% wrong. Only the option is B, because in the 20 ml some amount of space only occupied by the atoms or molecule, remaining is empty space is there. This is the empty space. So obviously the B is the answer. Suppose the same question if they are asking you at suppose same question if it is asking in the vapor, if it is in the vapor, in that case vapor means you have to convert this 20 gram into moles. It is approximately 1.1 mole, means 1 mole means 22.4 liters, 1 mole. So 1.1 means 24.8, 1.1 mole occupying 24.89. So it will be D. Lekin kab, if it is telling in the vapor phase, in the vapor phase the water molecules occupying space. Okay, but the question is here clear. It is asking in the what is the actual volume occupied by the water molecule present in 20 centimeter cube of water. Okay, so answer is B, right. Next, question number 14. Which among the following metals crystallizes as simple cubic? I think this question already repeated. 14th question, answer is A, polonium. Next, question number 15. In which among the following solids Schottky defect is not observed? Schottky defect is not observed. This Schottky defect is showing when cation size is equal to anion size, almost equal to, right? Generally first group metal halides showing this. मतलब NaCl, KCl these are showing. So क्वेश्चन नंबर, जिंक सल्फाइड में तो फ्रैंकल होगा, NaCl, KCl, cesium chloride. So that means NaCl, KCl, cesium chloride is showing, which is not showing zinc sulfide is not showing. So option is A. Next 16th question, among the following solids shows Frankel defect. देखो NaCl, cesium chloride, KCl is showing Schottky. That means AgCl is Frankel. Question number 16 is C. AgCl is Frankel. Right. Okay, remaining questions we can discuss in the next video. You watch the video and subscribe the channel, you will get updated videos.